Jai Shri Ram, Jai Jai Shri Ram. In the Sundara Kanda, this is the conversation between Hanuman and Ravana. Hanuman is advising Ravana. He is telling, "Oh Ravana, I request you with folded hands. Give up your arrogance. Listen to my advice. Have some regard for your lineage and view things from that perspective. Give up your delusion and worship him who dispels all fears of his worshippers. बिनती करऊं जोरी कर रावण सुनह मान तजी मोर सिखावन देखहु तुम निज कुल ही बिचारी भ्रम तजी भजहु भगत भयहारी." So, such a wonderful and sweet language Hanumanji is using. But of course, Raman is not going to listen to anything. Then Hanuman continues. He says, "Don't fight against him who is a source of terror to death himself. He is the devourer of all created beings, both animate and inanimate, gods and demons. Surrender, Sita. Please surrender. This is my simple request." So Hanumanji is again telling him, "जाके डर अति काल डेराई जो सुर असुर चराचर खाई तासो बयरु कबहू नहीं कीजे मोरे कहे जानकी दीजे." Don't fight against him who is the source of terror to death himself, who is the devourer of all created beings, both animate and inanimate, gods and demons. Please surrender, Sita Mata. This is my request. And Hanuman continues, "Raghunatha is the slayer of Khara. Have you forgotten? He is the protector and also an ocean of compassion. Forgetting your offenses, he will shelter you if you just turn to him for refuge. प्रणत पाल रघुनायक करुणा सिंधु खरारी गए शरण प्रभु राखी तब अपराध बिसारी." So, this is the first track, and so Hanuman is telling Ravana, but he is not going to listen. We all know that. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram. Hanuman's advice to Ravana in the Ramcharitmanas Sundara Kanda. This is the track 2. Then Hanuman says, "O Ravana, install the image of Rama's lotus feet in your heart and enjoy uninterrupted sovereignty of Lanka. The glory of your grandfather, Maharshi Pulastya, shines like a stainless moon. Do not be a spot upon that moon. Do not spoil, besmirch that moon. रामचरण पंकज उरु धरहु लंका अचल राज तुम करहु ऋषि पुलस्ति जसु बिमल मयंका तेहि शशि महु जनि हो kalanka." Do not become a kalank on your grandfather's reputation, which shines like the moon. Then Hanuman continues. This one is my favorite. Hanuman says, "Speech, our speech, human speech, is charmless without the name of Rama. Ponder and see for yourself. Think about this. Casting aside all your arrogance and all this uncontrolled infatuation." So Hanumanji says, "Ram naam binu gira na soha, dekhu bichari tyagi madamoha. Ram naam binu gira na soha, dekhu bichari tyagi madamoha." In the next line, Hanuman uses a very interesting analogy. He says, "See for yourself, oh Ravan, if there is a lovely woman decked with all ornaments but without her clothes, then that is a shameful sight. Similarly, you, such a powerful king," the analogy has to be understood. You have to draw the inference and understand. "You, such a powerful king, so gifted, if you don't have the humility and devotion towards Rama, you are such a shameless sight. with your naked arrogance and infatuation. राम नाम बिनु गिरा न सोहा, देखो बिचारी त्यागी मद मोहा. बसनहीन नहीं सोह सुरारी, सब भूषण भूषित बर नारी. जय श्री राम. Jai Shri Ram. Hanuman's advice to Ravana, track 3. Hanuman is telling him, the wealth and lordship of a man who is hostile to Sri Rama will eventually abandon him. They may stay for some time, but even if something new is acquired, it will be as good as lost. Just as rivers that have no perennial source of water, they will dry up as soon as the rain ceases. So similarly, if you do not devote yourself to Rama, then you will be like a desert, a parched land, like a dry river. राम विमुख संपत्ति प्रभुताई, जाई रही पाई बिनु पाई. जाई रही पाई बिनु पाई, सजल मूल जिन्ह सरितह नाही, बरसी गए पुनि तबहि सुखाई. Hanuman continues. He says, hey, listen, you 10-headed Ravana. I tell you on oath that there is no one who can protect anybody who is opposed to Sri Rama. Shankara, Vishnu, Brahma, even in their thousands, will not be able to save you if you are Rama's enemy. This is a direct warning. Sunu das kant kahau pan ropi, विमुख राम त्राता नहीं कोपी. शंकर सहस विष्णु अज तो ही, सकहि न राखी राम कर द्रोही. If you are a Ram Drohi, Shankara, Vishnu, Brahma in their thousands will not be able to protect you. And Hanuman finally says, O Ravan, abandon all pride. Pride is, a papam born of tamas and infatuation. Abandon that. It is the source of all the worries and pain and suffering. And adore Rama, who is the chief of the house of Raghu, who is an ocean of compassion, the blessed Lord. Please adore him. Moh mool bahusul pad tyagahu tam, abhiman bhajahu Ram Raghunayak Krupa Sindhu Bhagwan. Ah. मोह मूल बहुसूल पद त्यागहु तम अभिमान, भजहु राम रघुनायक कृपा सिंधु भगवान. But Ravan says, Ravan is laughing actually and saying, what a wonderful sage, wise guru we have found in this monkey. जदपि कही कपि अति हित बानी, भगति विवेक बिरति नय सानी, बोला बिहसी महाभिमानी, मिला हम ही कपि गुरु बड़ ज्ञानी. जय श्री राम.